Today, I'm going to show you the best battle rope workout for a beginner that will melt your fat, increase your cardio level, and work your muscle at the same time. Coming right up. Hey guys, Max here. I'm on a journey to my best self, and I welcome you to tag along with me. In this channel, we will be talking about personal growth and personal health. We will show you our tips, tricks, and tools to keep us on track. We will share our success and failures that we have encountered. If this is something that interests you, consider subscribing, turn on the notification bell, and smash the like button. Today, I would like to talk about one of my favorite workout equipment, which is the battle rope. In my opinion, battle rope is a piece of equipment that is worth investing because it provides many advantages. You can train your cardiovascular system, you can train your endurance, and you can tone your muscle at the same time. You can get your own battle rope in a gym equipment store around your area, or you can get it off Amazon, which I will link in the description down below. Next, I would like quickly talk about HIIT, which is high intensity interval training. The goal of HIIT is to have a burst of a maximum output which will increase your heart rate drastically for small periods of time. Then quickly recover or lower your heart rate down. Then repeat the process. The important thing about HIIT is every workout time needs to be your max effort. This will ensure the workout places a metabolic stress to your body, which gives us an afterburn effect. This means that unlike a regular cardio where you stop burning calories after you stop your workout, high intensity interval training will continue to burn calories as fuel even after you finish your workout. I mean,
burn fat in your sleep. How great is that?
So the best battle rope workout for beginner is basically combine battle rope and HIIT principle together. The three pieces of equipment you will need for the workout today are a battle rope, a HIIT timer, and water. A HIIT timer tells you when to work and when to rest. You can set workout time and rest time according to your fitness level. If you are with Apple, I will link the free HIIT timer I use in the description down below. I will be showing you a workout my friend John and I did a couple days ago. I encourage you to work out with us. We're doing 15 rounds of 20 seconds on and 20-second rest. Since there are two of us, we're not wasting time resting. This workout takes about 10 minutes. Once you finish the whole round, give some rest and go at it again. So grab a buddy
and let's work out together.
A couple things before we start the workout. Number one, make sure you engage your core throughout the exercise. Number two, plant your feet for stability. And number three, max effort. Leave a comment down below. Let me know, have you ever used a battle rope before and how you like it? Start taking small action towards your goal. Remember, I am here for you. You can follow me on Instagram and message me there if you need any of my assistance. I will do my best to help. Okay, it's time to get down to business. Let's get it. Remember, max effort.
Get ready. Exercise. Use Windscreens